I wanted to give you a quick update on the build progress, and we're still getting some hot days here in Texas. We're almost at the end of November now, and we're still getting some days up into the mid 80s. But there have been quite a few days where I've been able to make some progress. So in the previous video, I showed you the front section here in a detailed video of the fiberglassing section. And since then, I've been able to fiberglass the next section back. And I've also fiberglassed the entire cabin area bottom here on the port hull. And by that, I mean this section down in here has all been fiberglassed. It has peel ply right now, and this is probably a bit over ambitious because I tried to do all of this fiberglassing in one setting. I was able to take some breaks while I was waiting for the fillets, the epoxy fillets to harden, but overall this was at least a 5-hour session, so that was a bit too much. After I finish this on both sides, I'm going to be fiberglassing the next section back. This is in the cockpit area at the bottom of one of the flotation compartments. I'll get that on both sides. And the final flotation compartment back here, I will not be able to fiberglass yet because the sides, the hull sides, are not yet high enough. I need to add some more planking to get that up before I'll be able to fiberglass those. So let me show you the other side on how I'm trying to make this a little bit easier. Okay, so this is the starboard hull, and you can see that I've started just the frontmost section here, and I've not yet started this is in the cabin area, so I've not yet started the two aft sections. But what I did was I just tried to terminate this as much as I could with peel ply so that I'll be able to just peel that peel ply off, maybe touch it up with a bit of sanding and proceed from there. So what I'm using for these cabin bottoms here is, for around the edges, I'm using this tape. This is a 6-ounce fiberglass tape. It's already cut to the width. I just need to cut the proper lengths. And for the larger open areas, I'm using this 9-ounce fiberglass cloth. So it's a little bit heavier. So I'm cutting this, and that is going in the very bottom and a little bit up to the sides. So that is the progress. I'm going to complete the fiberglassing on the last two sections here in this cabin area, and then proceed back to this flotation compartment. And just like the other side, I will not be able to do the aftmost flotation compartment until I get more of the hull planking. So that's the update, and I will keep at it and give you another update when I have some more progress to show you. All right, bye.